Grain Feed and Milling Magazine Weekly News Review powered by Grain Tech Bangladesh 2025. Alabala achieves new milestones with global turnkey projects in 2024.
Poultry intestinal health. Are we addressing the right areas?
Malaysian man earns 7,000 ringgit a month working on palm oil plantation at just 20 years old.
Philippines and Pakistan to sign million-ton rice deal by June 2025.
Malaysia, interest in palm oil is coming back with a vengeance.
FAO publishes new guidelines for surveillance of influenza in cattle.
Edible oil prices in 2025, palm oil drops, check latest mustard and soybean oil rates.
Malaysian government considering importing rice from Pakistan to stabilize supply and prices.
A regular advertiser. Grain Tech Bangladesh 2025 exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
Horti Agri Next Asia 2025 media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
Thanks for watching.